Welcome to the TC Hustle channel, the channel that serves you with the best content on the opportunities, tips, and tricks in real estate investment. Today, we'll be discussing the process of purchasing a house. This video gives you a step-by-step guide to buying your new property. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel by hitting the share and subscribe buttons. Click the like button to like this video, and press the notification bell to get notified on all new videos when they are posted to the channel. Buying a house is a big commitment and a significant financial investment, so it's important to be informed and prepared throughout the process. With that being said, let's dive into the steps for purchasing a house. Step 1. Determine your budget and get pre-approved for a mortgage. Before you start house hunting, it's important to determine your budget and get pre-approved for a mortgage. This definitely involves a lot of issues that you must cross-check before embarking on the process of purchasing a house, including how much money you make and employment status, debt-to-income ratio, liquid assets, credit health, motivation for purchasing the house, living in the house or using it as a rental property, timing, etc. You also need to calculate how much you can afford on a house, considering the mortgage pre-approval from the lenders and how much you are willing to pay in a month for the property tax, homeowners insurance, etc. Before getting a pre-approval from lenders, you need to decide what type of mortgage is right for you: conventional loans, FHA loans, VA loans, USDA loans, etc. Getting pre-approved will give you a better idea of how much you can borrow, and can make you a more attractive buyer to sellers. To get pre-approved, you'll need to provide some financial information to a lender, including your income, debt, and credit score. Step 2. Find a real estate agent. Though there are multiple parties involved in a house buying process, your real estate agent is your main representative in the home purchase transaction. It can be helpful to work with a real estate agent to find properties that meet your criteria, get you showings, help write offers. A real estate agent can help negotiate the best deal for you. Real estate agents mostly offer their services at an expense not greater than 3% of the purchase price of the property they help you to acquire. Look for an agent with experience and a track record of successful sales. Please check the description section of this video for a link to one of the very best real estate agents, if only you live in Massachusetts. Step 3. Begin house hunting. Once you have a budget and a real estate agent, it's time to start looking for houses. Your real estate agent can help you hunt for houses that are within your budget. It is a good idea to make a list of your top priorities, depending on whether you are looking for a starter home or forever home. Also, consider other factors including location, home condition and possible need for repairs, access to public transportation, local school, property value trends, size and style of property, etc. Take note of any features or issues that you see during showings, and make a list of pros and cons for each property. Once you find a property you like that also fits your needs and budget, then it's time to make an offer. Step 4. Make an offer. When you found a house that you'd like to purchase, your real estate agent will help you prepare an offer and submit it. The offer will include details about yourself, the price you're willing to pay, any contingencies, such as the need for a home inspection, closing date, etc. The seller may accept the offer, reject the offer, or even counter your offer, and you'll have the opportunity to negotiate until you reach an agreement. It is advisable to let your real estate agent help you manage the negotiations. Don't be afraid to walk away if you cannot reach an agreement with the seller. But once the seller agrees to your offer and accepts it, then it's time to move on to the appraisal and inspection. Step 5. Get a home appraisal and inspection. Once your offer is accepted, it's a good idea to get a home inspection to identify any potential issues with the property. The inspector will look at the structure, electrical and plumbing systems, and other aspects of the home. If the inspection turns up any problems, you may be able to negotiate with the seller to have them repaired or to lower the purchase price. Bear in mind that you'll be liable for any major repairs after your sale closes. It is best to include a home inspection contingency in the purchase offer. Getting a home appraisal for the property is very advisable. The appraisal reveals the current value of the property you want to buy. This is advisable especially when you are buying the home with a mortgage loan. You must ensure an appraisal contingency is included in your offer as well. Step 6. Do a final walkthrough. Always do a final walkthrough in your new home before you close, even if you're 100% committed to the property. This allows you to check again and make sure the seller has everything in order. Check whether the seller has not left any belongings. Check repair areas if you requested for any. Keep an eye out for pests. Check the home systems for the final time to make sure everything is working as expected. If all looks good, then it's time for you to confidently move toward closing. Step 7. Secure financing and finalize the purchase. It's time to finalize the purchase if home inspections and final walkthrough goes well. This will involve securing financing, if you haven't already done so, and signing a purchase agreement. Your lender is required to give you a closing disclosure that tells you what you need to pay at closing as well as summarize your loan details. Review the closing disclosure, and attend a close meeting to sign a settlement statement. You'll also need to pay closing costs, which may include things like lender fees, property taxes, and title insurance. Step 8. Move in and enjoy your new home. Once all the paperwork is complete and the closing is finalized, you'll get the keys to your new home. Congratulations on becoming a homeowner. Buying a house is a big step, but with the right preparation and guidance, it can be a smooth and rewarding process. We hope this video has helped you understand the steps involved in purchasing a home. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.